Hello, good
Hi,
afternoon.
hi, welcome to the first episode of Life Above 35,000 Feet. Very often, we hear from a lot of people saying that destiny plays a very important role. Wondering why I'm bringing this up? Well, let's call our guest, Miss Darshita Solanki, and see what she has to say about it. Welcome to our show, ma'am. How are you doing, Darshita?
It's a pleasure of being on the show with you, ma'am. I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. I'm doing great. Well, let's start our talk show. So, here is my
Yes.
first question to you. Ma'am, actually, I know little about you. So, I just wanted to know you wanted to be a fashion designer, right? So, how did you end
Yes.
up yourself 35,000 feet above the sky?
Well, yes, you are right. I wanted to do fashion designing after I completed my graduation. I had prepared for my entrance exam. I had already finalized which college I wanted to join, and the day I wanted to pay the fees, I went to my mother and I asked her for the same. There she comes up with a new idea. Why don't you try for air hostess? I was excited but with lots of question marks over my head. I asked her, I have no idea, literally no idea where to go, what to wear, how will the interviews come up, and how will I know about the same? Uh, where do I go and apply? What is the job of a cabin crew? I literally had no idea. So I was discussing this with my mother, and my brother was quietly listening to the conversation. And he comes there and he interrupts the conversation quietly and he tells me that why don't you join Franklin Institute of Air Hostess Training, which is like few minutes away from my house. So yes, that sounded me good. I went there, I explored that place, and yes, and that's how my journey began, and that's how I landed up at 35,000 feet.
Amazing, ma'am. What an inspiring journey, ma'am. Amazing, actually.
Yeah. Truly, it is. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, actually, after hearing your journey, I'm like more curious. So, ma'am, like
Mhm.
you have completed your graduation in fashion designing. Okay. And
Yes.
after that, you have joined Frankfurt, and which is an
Yes.
institute. So, you have lived your college life on entirely different platforms. So, ma'am,
Mhm.
how did you cope up there? Like, how the journey was different in both the institutions?
Yes, you are totally right. They both are two completely different platforms. I'll elaborate and I'll tell you how. When I was in college, I was living a very routine life, a college student life. I used to go to college, same benches around, same ambience, limited friends, teachers giving you theoretical training. I did not explore myself. I did not upgrade myself, nor I explored my surroundings either. So yes, that was, I guess everybody's lives the same college life. But as I told you earlier, I went and I entered Franklin Institute of Air Hostess Training. The ambience was so mesmerizing. I felt like I'm walking into a big company with all professionals around, guiding you, helping you at each step. When I was a student, I did not only learn theoretical training here. Yes, I gained technical knowledge. Along with that, I also got practical trainings as well. So I could enhance my external personality also, and I could develop my internal skills also. Uh, See, I wanted to be a cabin crew, but they did not train me only on aviation industry. They gave me knowledge on travel and tourism. They also developed my knowledge on hotel industry. So basically, they prepared me completely for a service industry. In practical trainings, however, I got trained on grooming, my communication skills. I developed my personality. During college days, I was very shy and reserved. I know you will not believe me right now,
Actually,
but
ma'am, I
yes, I
can't.
was.
Seeing you right
Yes,
now,
I
I really
literally
can't
had
believe
very,
it.
No, seriously, I'm not lying. I had very low confidence in talking in front of the people. So yes, here when I joined, after technical knowledge and practical trainings, they boosted up my confidence so much that now I'm an extrovert girl full of confidence. So
Great.
yes, I have found myself a new me. Basically, I could upgrade myself, I could find myself, and I enhanced myself completely, internally, externally, totally.
Amazing, ma'am. Wonderful. Very wonderful. Well, Franklin has actually changed you like, okay, from a shy girl to extrovert girl right now. And we can see
Yes,
you now. Like,
to
you look
add on
amazing,
to,
ma'am.
yeah, adding on here to this, they also helped me how to do makeup, sari draping, hairstyling, how to prepare for an interview, how to take care of your skin, hair care. All this plays a vital role to enhance your outer personality. So yes, at the end, that also helps in developing your confidence. It did, yes.
Yes, ma'am. I can see that Franklin has actually, I think, helped you in developing your personality as well as groomed you a lot. Amazing, ma'am.
Totally.
Yeah. So, ma'am, okay. Let me move on to my next question here. So, ma'am,
Yes.
did you got any placement through Franklin?
Yes, I got placed twice through Franklin. First,
Okay.
the first ever interview that I gave was my campus interview here at the Institute of Franklin with Yemen Airways, and I was fortunate enough that I got selected there directly in an international airline as my very first airline. However, it did not went for a long period due to personal reasons. I had to quit and I had to come back to Mumbai. And I again contacted Franklin here again that what should I do further? They on the same days arranged an interview for me with Go Airlines, and I went there immediately. And what happened next? Can you imagine? At the end of the day, I came home with an offer letter in my hand.
Oh my
So
God.
yes, Franklin actually gave me the wings to fly twice. In
Oh,
fact, a lifelong wings.
you got wings to fly high. Actually, you got the, wings twice through
Yes.
Franklin. Great, ma'am. Great to know that. So, ma'am, like you mentioned, you have been placed in Yemen Airways through Franklin first and
Mhm.
later on with Go Air. Okay, so
Yes.
how was your journey with the Yemen Airways?
As I told you, it was an international airline. I could fly many countries. It was my first ever job. So I learned a lot of new things. The city was so nice, the people were so nice. But however, I could not fly for long. I had to quit for personal reasons. And then I joined Go Air after coming back to Mumbai.
Okay. So, ma'am, apart from Yemen Airways and Go Air, have you flight with any other airline? Have you worked with any other airline?
Yes, I have also flown Qatar Airways.
Oh, wow, great. Amazing, amazing. So, how was your experience with Qatar Airways? Since it is an international airline, so how was its experience different from the rest too?
Qatar Airways was a life-turning change in my life. Yes, Qatar Airways is a very well-known airline. It stands in the top five airlines, as we all know. I'm fortunate enough that I thank God uh, that I got selected as a cabin crew with Qatar Airways. It gave me a lavish lifestyle and a better standard of living. It has also given me an opportunity to explore internationally. I got a chance to fly different countries, different cities, meet new people, different cultures, meet elite people, celebrities. Yes, and they provide accommodation for the cabin crew. Uh, all the layovers are in the five-star hotels, allowances for the layovers, and at the end, attractive salary in hand. So yes, it was literally a dream come true for me, and the best thing that ever happened to me.
Great, ma'am. Mother, you had such a great experience. You have been like flying with the domestic as well as the international airline. It's amazing. I think you had like a 360-degree experience altogether.
Yes, it was. It was indeed. Totally.
Okay, great, ma'am. So, ma'am, like you have worked with different airlines. So, what are the different type of training you have been through? Like, they
Oh,
provide multiple type of trainings, or how it is?
yes, they provide multiple type of trainings, and yes, we have to go through these trainings. But let me make it clear for all the listeners out there that cabin crew role is not only up to service. In fact, the primary role of a cabin crew is safety and security of the passengers and the aircraft. And then the secondary role is service. Training. They will prepare you for emergency procedures like ditching, crash landing. You also have to handle medical emergencies on board as a first aider. So they train you for first aid. They are preparing you for a hijack situation, bomb threat situations. So they also teach you the types of service that they do, how to serve, what all things that we serve. So they will teach you complete details on the service part as well, and they also teach you grooming there. So yes, a cabin crew job is not only for service. We are playing different models out there. We are caretakers for children, elderly passengers, or special handling passengers. We are firefighters, we are security guards, we play as a doctor. So we are doing a multiple task at one time in one flight. So yes, but I would like to add here that after getting trained, we have to clear these exams as well, theoretically and practically. However, I it was a very easy task for me because all these trainings were already introduced to me by Franklin Institute when I was a student. So they did not come as new to me. So yes, it made my life a lot easier during training days with airline.
Great, ma'am. Great. Matlab, I'm really, delighted to hear like you got all these type of training to, face a crash landing or hijack. Matlab, they teach you
Yes,
so much during the training. It's
a
amazing.
lot.
It's great to know this. So, ma'am, I also wanted to know, like, there are multiple flights you have taken which were having a long haul. So the
Yes.
passengers basically they can watch a movie, they can sleep, they can do anything they want. So as a cabin crew, what did you do during that time? Since the flight was so long.
See, we do a lot of things. I will tell you. See, after all the cabin crew duties are over, we end up getting some time for ourselves during long haul flights. During those flights, we interact with each other because we fly with every day a different team member. So we learn their culture. We play games on board like Damsharas, tic tac toe, name place animal thing. So yeah, we play games as well. Learn about each other's culture. Sometimes we learn their type of game, what they have played in their childhood. And don't forget, we used to play pranks on each other,
Pranks,
depending
oh,
on,
right.
yeah, we did.
Oh, it's very
We used to have
interesting
a
to
lot of,
know.
yeah, Galley is a me time, basically for the crew after the service is over. So Galley has a lot of memories more than the cabin.
Okay, so you might have like have multiple friends from different areas, from different parts of
Naturally,
world. Then
yes, yes.
amazing, great, ma'am, great. Okay, ma'am. Actually, I was thinking let's take a small break over here. What say?
Okay,
Can we take a small break?
okay.
Okay,
Let's
so
stretch.
let's do a rapid fire.
Hmm.
So, okay, you just have to answer one word. The questions which I'm going to ask, you will just say one word.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
so
going to be
here,
fun, I guess. I'm sure.
yeah, it will be fun, ma'am. You will really enjoy it. So, ma'am, here comes your first question. Like,
Okay.
first is if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you like to go?
Okay. Amsterdam.
Amazing choice. Okay, so here comes my second question. Which is
Okay.
your favorite airline? I know it would be
Qatar
difficult to
Airways.
choose.
It is, but Qatar Airways.
Qatar is. Oh, great, great. So, ma'am, okay, which international brand is your favorite for shopping?
Like for shopping, choosing one is little difficult, but I will still answer you that. For clothing, I prefer Vero Moda. For perfumes, I prefer Dior. And for handbags, probably I prefer Michael Kors.
Okay. Oh my God, brilliant choices. Yeah, you have such great choices. Yeah, I really love the
Thank
products.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So, ma'am, there's a question out of the blue right now.
Mhm.
So, would you
Okay.
like to go on a movie alone?
If given a choice, I will. No problem.
Oh, great.
I
So,
can.
alone dinner, lunch as well?
Yes, of
Yes.
course. Yes.
Oh, so
Me time
nice.
is very important.
Right, ma'am, right. So, ma'am, okay. So, we have known like a lot of things about you. So, if you have to describe yourself in 3 words,
Mm, Myself would be hardworking, loyal, and adaptable.
okay, okay, okay. So, ma'am, who do you admire the most?
My mother.
Oh, that's really sweet. That's really sweet, actually. So, okay,
Because she's the
ma'am,
one who gave me this dream.
sorry.
She's the one. I, I can't hear you. I'm so sorry. I missed the question. Pardon me,
Okay, ma'am.
please.
Yeah, my next question is, are you a morning person or a night person?
Night person.
Night person. Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am, which is your favorite hobby?
Swimming is my favorite hobby.
Swimming. I
Mhm.
can completely get it. The way you look, the way you are fit. Great hobby, ma'am. It's a great
Thank
one.
you. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you. I
ma'am.
appreciate it.
Okay, so ma'am, like you might be carrying your handbag everywhere you go. Okay, and you might be having like multiple products in your handbag. Which is the most interesting product which you carry in your handbag? We are really interested to know.
Interesting would be one product if given a like option. My hand cream.
Hand cream. Okay,
Hand
good.
cream.
Nice
Difficult to
product
choose,
actually.
but yes, hand cream.
Yeah, actually, I think it's very difficult for for women to figure out that one product which is most interesting. I think it's very difficult
Yes.
for us to choose. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
very.
like, ma'am, okay, here's my next question to you. You
Mhm.
were like super excited to see which celebrity? You might have met like multiple celebrities, but any one
I
celebrity
did.
which you were super excited to see?
Krish Gale.
Chris Gayle. Oh, the cricketer.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Amazing. The famous cricketer, yeah. Oh, I would love to meet him if I got an opportunity.
I wish you all the luck. I hope you meet him soon.
Oh my God, keeping our fingers crossed. So, ma'am, like with this, we are almost at the end of our, rapid fire round and at the
Okay.
end of the
Thank
show
you.
as well. So,
Oh,
ma'am, here
okay.
is my final question to you.
Hmm.
Like, if you have to summarize, how is your life above 35,000 feet? If you have to summarize it.
Well, okay. See, I'll tell you, cabin crew life is not a monotonous life. We don't have a regularity in our lifestyle. So yes, it's very exciting. It's adventurous. You learn every day new things in your life because we fly with different captains every day, different set of crew every day, different destinations, different passengers every day. So every day and every day basically you are flying at different hours of the day. Like you don't have a fixed time that you'll have a flight at this time. So even the timings differ. It can be early morning, late evening, midnight flight, anything. So nothing is routine. It's an exciting. and the view from the top that you get is just mesmerizing. You cannot have you. It feels like heaven on the earth when you see the top view. Okay. In short, if I would summarize this, is you fly, you sleep, you eat, sightseeing, shopping, and repeat. That's in the short I can tell you.
Okay.
That's the lifestyle of a cabin crew.
I think for us, it would be sleep, eat, and repeat.
Yeah. I'm so sorry to hear that. But yeah, cabin crew has this option.
Amazing, ma'am. Seriously, I'm so inspired by hearing your journey and everything. It's so, great to hear you, ma'am.
Thank you so much and giving me this opportunity to share this with you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today. And thank you, everyone who are watching. We hope you got to know how was her life above 35,000 feet. Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye, everyone. Stay
Goodbye.
safe,
Bye.
stay healthy, and everyone who are watching, stay tuned to us for more upcoming episodes. With this, we are ending the live show. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
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 End हो जाएगा, end हो जाएगा, end हो जाएगा.